Yo, what is up, guys? I haven't been on this channel for a while, but for my whole life I've been using this TV right here for what's it called? Playing my video games on and stuff. Yo, why is it so blurry? Hold up. Alright, there it goes, boys. Alright, so I've been using this big TV. As you can tell, it's huge. To play games on. And also a little TV that I just took down to play games on for my whole life. So guess what? We finally got a monitor. Let's go. Let's do monitor unboxing. Just went to Walmart to get this baby. Hold up. Dude, I'm so happy right now. Guys, I'm so happy right now because I've never had a monitor in my life. So, here's the power thing. Here's a leg, I think. Just stand it up. Yeah. What is this? Oh, it's an HDMI cable. Sorry, guys. And the monitor. Let's take this stupid stuff off. The monitor. Let's go. A 22-inch, because you already know your boy's kind of poor. So let's get these views up so I can make money off of YouTube and stuff. And let's set it up. Hold up, I'll set it up. All right, so I got all this stupid tape off of it. So I think you set it up like wait, you guys can see the light, but I'm doing it wrong anyway. Maybe turn it this way. Hold up, actually, I'm just gonna get it set up and then I'll show you guys. Hey, boys, the graphics are beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks clean, bruh. Looks like my friend Bobby's monitor. So you already know the boys got the speakers all set up with it. And yeah, it's beautiful, man. Hold up. It reacts in like milliseconds, bro. Hold up, let me find it. Oh, it's not on here, but over at Walmart, it was like 6 milliseconds. So yeah, bro, you already know. Here's the video, and I'll make a video. I don't know when. It's just gonna happen. All right, see ya. Bye, guys. I totally forgot to show you, but I got it all set up. You already know. I totally missed this part. It was still in the foam thing, and what the heck? All right. Yeah, it was still in the foam thing. So yeah. So the quality's great, bro. So it's so much better than my other one. Oh my gosh, it's so clean. So yeah, there it is, my new monitor. You already know. Sorry I totally forgot to make an ending to this video, but got it all set up. You know, just played Minecraft with the boys. I'll start making Minecraft videos whenever I get enough money and stuff, you know. All right, see ya. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go. Yeah. Ready?